Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a deep analysis of all the three indices from weekly to intraday time frame. Let's go ahead with this Bank Nifty on weekly time frame. You can see Bank Nifty has been sustaining at this level in the past 3 days. If you go into the daily charts, you will understand whether it is sustaining at this level or it is going to break the level. If in any case, Bank Nifty crosses 43,400 area and sustain below this area, then it indicates that Bank Nifty has been turned into bearish in weekly time frame as well. Consider we are going into uptrend like this. From at this level, we got a confirmation that on weekly time frame itself, Bank Nifty is turning into bearish, and we are having a major support area at this level itself. Previously it was a resistance, then it converted into a support. If it acts as a very good support, then Bank Nifty has to bounce from this level to the higher side, or else if it is going to break down this level and sustaining below this level, then we will plan some more selling side trades. We may see 40,000 as well if it sustain below this level. If it won't sustain and if it is halting at this level and giving breakout to the bullish structure, then we will plan a all-time high trades again. Or else if it is going below this level, then we have to plan for selling side trades aggressively. If the same thing, if I have planned to mark the level on daily time frame, let's go to the daily time frame. Let me show you the diagrams. Okay, now you can see over here on daily time frame, we have been in this area from past 4 days, right? We are not going into a continuous selling pressure, but we are halting at this level only, because this is a very crucial halt zone. We can call this one as a consolidation, where we got a huge consolidation. After that we got a breakout, upside huge rally, then again some consolidation, upside rally. At this consolidation also we got some halt. The same thing at this consolidation level, we are getting some more halt. If this halt is sustaining and crossing 44,200 area and sustaining above it, then we will plan a trade till 44,500, and we need a very good closing above 44,500 to go ahead for higher targets in upside. Or else if we are going to break down this level and sustaining, then we will plan a smaller targets initially, then we will be moving into our higher targets by trailing our stop losses. This is the plan on daily time frame. We need a breakout and then we'll plan a upside trade. Or else if it is going to break down this area, then the Bank Nifty is in bearish structure, we'll plan for bearish side trades a lot. Okay, let's go into the daily time frame to plan our swing trades first. Now I have marked a pattern over here which is indicating for both sides. Whether if it is giving breakout, then we'll plan for bullish side trade, or else if it is giving breakdown, then we'll plan for selling side trade. As of now, it is a halt area. We don't have to trade in this region. If it is going above this area, then we'll plan for upper side trade. First target is 44,200, then our next target is 44,400. If we are going continuously upside, then we'll plan for 100 more points for upper side. For downside target, our first target is 43,400 area if we are crossing this level, which is 43,600. If we are going below 43,400, then immediately we can see 43,200 also in a continuous momentum, because it has given a very good halt and buyers are trying to push the market upside. If we are crossing this level, which is a buyer's stop loss, then huge selling pressure will be seen and we will see 43,200 easily. From here we may see some bounce back as well. So on hourly time frame, based on the breakouts and breakdowns, we will plan our swing trades. Let's go to the intraday time frame. On 15 minutes, if we plan to a trade for intraday itself, if it crosses this level, a small level is there, if it is going below 43,750 level, then immediately we can go selling side till 43,600 area, because at this level it has been taking support from past 3 times. Now again it is coming to the same level, means it may take support or it may go downside. So with a small stop loss, we can go for the trade till 43,600 area easily. Or else if it is going above this area, which is 43,950 level, then we'll go for a trade till 44,100 easily, which is an easy target for the Bank Nifty. If it is going above this, then 44,200 can be seen. So based on this analysis, the Bank Nifty is in a halt, but it is not giving any breakout for bullish side or breakdown for a bearish side. So wait for breakout or breakdown on hourly time frame, then plan for the trades. We will get a good risk to reward trades in this trade. Okay, in this Bank Nifty. Let's go to Nifty now. This is Nifty on weekly time frame. You can see from past 4 weeks Nifty has been falling, but for its higher low, the level is almost 18,000 19600 level. If it crosses this level, then on weekly time frame it will turn into bearish. But as of now, while we are looking into the bullish structure on weekly time frame, Nifty is in still bullish side, but we are having a support at almost 18800 area, which is a resistance previously. If it is coming to this level, then it will act as support over here. But if you go into the daily time frame, let's go to the daily time frame, you will see some more support levels over there. Let me show the levels. Okay, now you can see over here on daily time frame itself, Nifty has been halting at this level, which is a very crucial area for Nifty. In the previous week also we have discussed this level is a very crucial for Nifty. If it is halting over here and making a bullish structure, then we will plan for bullish side trades. But as of now, while looking at this level, Nifty is not showing for bullish side or bearish side, it is just halting over here. For bullish side, it has to cross 19500 area, then we will plan a bullish side trades in Nifty. As of now, if it is going below this level, which is 19300, if it is going below 19300, then we will plan a 100 points trade almost 19200 area. There is a small gap, it can be filled as well. If it is going below 19200 and sustaining over there, then we will plan a next target till 19000 area as well. But this is very far, almost 200 points. We may see a small touch to this level and a bounce back also happens over here. So what we can plan is, if it is going below this area, then we will plan a simple trade till 100 points, then we will book our profits over there. If it is sustaining below 19200, then only we have to plan for selling side trades. Okay, now let's go into the hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, the same structure has been seen over here, similar to the bank Nifty. It has been sustaining or halting at this level. If it is giving breakout to 19373 level, which is this resistance area, if it is giving breakout and sustaining over here with small retest, we can plan a trade till 19480 level. At 19480 level, there are huge call sellers are as well there. So if you are getting any breakouts, we don't have to enter immediately. Wait for sustainability, then you can plan for upper side trades. If you are getting any rejection at this level, then immediately we can plan for selling side trade, because it is a good resistance area. From here again we can see some selling side scenario as well. Or else if you are going below this area, then immediately we can see 19200 as our target, or else we can plan for 19000 also in coming days. Let's go to the intraday time frame on 15 minutes. Similarly, on hourly time frame, we have discussed the level. The same levels are intact on 15 minutes as well. If you are going below this, then immediately we can plan a trade till 19200, because this level has been tested. See, the same level has been tested many times, so we can plan a selling side trade till this level. For buying side trade, if you are crossing this trend line on the resistance area, then we will plan a target till this level. This is a simple trades in Nifty, but in bank Nifty we have to be very careful. There will be some more volatility. Let's go to the FinNifty now. We will plan few trades over there. This is FinNifty on weekly time frame. You can see over here, this was the resistance area, which has been giving a huge resistance to the FinNifty, but eventually it got breaked out, but it came inside this resistance level again. For becoming very good bullish in FinNifty, it has to sustain above this resistance again to plan for higher upside targets. Or else, as of now, looking over here, there is a small trend line. If it gives breakdown to this level, then we can plan selling side trail till 19,000 as well. And if it is going below, then we'll mark our support areas based on the levels. We'll mark our targets as well. But looking on the weekly time frame, FinNifty is looking more bearish than Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's go to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, I have marked few levels for upcoming week. If you are going breakout or breakdown, based on it, we'll plan our targets. Consider we are going for breakdown over here, then our immediate target will be 19300. If you are going below this level, then next target is 19200 to 19150 area, because at this level the huge demand is there. The same level here also is a good demand area. From here it has given almost 1000 points up move, but it is halting over here. If it is making a bullish structure and sustaining above 19600 area, consider down move, a pullback down. If it is crossing 19600 area, then we can plan upper side targets again. Or else if it is going below, then we'll mark our supports, then we'll plan our targets over there. Now going into the hourly time frame to plan our swing trades over there. On hourly time frame, I have marked a small trend line over here, which is acting as a very good resistance for FinNifty as of now. At this level, it has been taking resistance. Consider if it is taking resistance over here again, then we will go for 19300 again. For every resistance level, it is giving a good downside rally, right? we can plan a target over here. If it is crossing this trend line, then a small retest, then upside momentum can be seen. Or else if we are going downside, then our target is 19300 in coming days. If it is giving breakout to this area, let me show you the area once. If it is crossing 19500 area and sustaining above this level, then we will plan a trade till 19600 first, then 19700 as well. Or else if it is crossing below this support area, which is 19400, then we will plan our trade for 100 points and then next 100 points as well. On hourly time frame, will be in swing trades. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to plan our normal trades. On 15 minutes as well, if it is giving a small breakout over here, then we can plan a small trade till these levels. Or else if it is giving breakdown, then our target is as usual, which I have marked over here. But basically looking at this structure, we have to wait for sustainability rather than immediately jumping into the trades, because this whole area is considering as a halt region, or we can call it as consolidation region. There might be few fake breakouts and fake breakdowns might happen. So plan your trades accordingly and trade safely. Manage your risk management as well. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel for more videos on trading as well as on our travel vlogs. Thank you.